Okay, students, see the third question. Any equilibrium reaction is given means we can write Kc. This is a way to write Kc. I just substitute the value here. Okay. Then I am going to simplify. Understood? You just substitute the value. Then here, how to simplify. This will be what? 2 square, no? So what? This is what? 2 square, 4. Understood? Then this is what? 10 power minus 6. Understood? This will be what? Then you keep as it is into 1.5. Okay. Into 10 power minus 4. Understood? Divided by 10 power minus 8. Are you following? Okay. So I'll write it here. Then you just remember 4 into this one, 4 into 1.5. I'll write it here. 4 into 1.5, 6 into, this, just see, 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 10, understood, divided by, 10 power minus 8, understood. Then, just imagine yourself, when 10 power minus 2 present in denominator, when it goes to numerator, it becomes what? 10 power minus 2. So, 6 into 10 power minus 2. Therefore, what? 6, 10 power minus 2 outright. 10 power minus 2 outright. 10 power minus 2 outright. 10 power minus 2. Understood? Okay. Then this is 1 by 100. No. So answer is what? 0. This is considered as 0.006. Understood? So among these, A is the correct one. Are you following? I simply substitute. Okay. Product by reactant. Then substitute the values, you can get Kc. Okay. It's a simple one. It's a very simple sum. Okay. Now see the next one. Relation between Kp and Kc for the following reaction is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. It's a equation. We are going to relate Kp and Kc. So we have one formula for that. Relation between Kp and Kc is what? You know the formula? The familiar formula. Kp is equal to what? Kp is equal to Kc into RT power delta Mg. Are you following? This is the formula. Okay. What is delta Mg? Change in number of moles of product minus change in number of moles of reactant. Okay. Here we have formula. What's the formula? Delta Ng, nothing but what? Simply just remember Np minus Nr. Are you following? Number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. Here product how many moles? Product how many moles? Product how many moles? 2 moles. Is it correct or not? Product was 2 moles. Number of moles of product. So therefore what? 2 minus. How many moles? How many moles in reactant side? This is 1 mole. Correct or not? This is 1 mole. So 3 moles. 1 plus 3, 4 moles. Understood? So what? 2 minus 4, minus 2. Are you following? Okay. So you just substitute here. When you substitute here means, delta, therefore what? Kp is equal to Kc RT power, minus 2. Understood? If delta Ng, usually remember, if delta Ng negative means Kp is always what? Delta Ng negative means Kp is always less than Kc. Okay. If delta Ng is positive means Kp is always greater than Kp is always greater than Kc. Understood? Delta Ng is equal to 0 means suppose it is 0 means what? Okay. This suppose here delta Ng. This knowledge you should memorize. 0. If I put 0 means what? Anything power 0, we get 1. So Kp is equal to Kc. Understood? Are you following? If delta Ng is 0, Kp is equal to Kc. Okay. If delta Ng is positive, okay, delta Ng positive. Understood? Positive. Okay. Just remember, it's a positive. delta Ng positive. Okay, positive means Kp is greater than Kc. If here in this case I get delta Ng negative, no, delta Ng negative, no. So I put Kp is less than Kc. Okay, it's not issue, just remember. Okay, so among the option is what? Kp is less than Kc, no. So this answer. Are you following? Okay. Now see the next one. Okay, see that the value of Kc is given. The value of Kc is given what? 48. Understood? So Kc is 48. At a particular instant, the concentration of H2, I2, Hi, all the values are given. 0.2, 0.2, 0.6, all the values of the reactant concentration is given. Predict the direction of the reaction. We have to, which side reaction will be proceed. That's our aim. Understood? How to find means here we have a formula will be there. Suppose here already Kc is given. This one is just memorize. Okay. So Kc, Kc value is given. No, Kc is what? 48. Okay. So here what's the form? What are the things you have to memorize means? You must know means what? Here if QC means reaction quotient is greater than Kc. Okay. Reverse reaction takes place. You have to memorize this one. Reverse reaction. Okay. If Qc is less than Kc, okay, the forward reaction takes place. I just write forward only. Forward reaction takes place. Okay. So if Qc is equal to Kc, understood? So equilibrium reaction takes place. Equilibrium. Okay, just remember this one. If you know this condition, you can use to solve the sum. Okay. So here already Kc is given. Kc is what? 48 is okay. 48 is given. Now we have to find out the Qc only. Qc how to find out? The same formula. We are writing, product by reactant. Okay. Qc product is what? Hi. Hi concentration. Okay. Power 2 by product by reactant. Reactant is what? H2. Here no number of moles, no. So you just write as it is. I2. Understood? Understood? I'll just write product by reactant, that's all. Okay, what's the here? What's the value now? Now I am going to substitute. Hi is what? That is Hi. Hi value is what? Addition value is what? 0.6. Understood? So 0.6 the whole square. Correct or not? Okay, correct. By H2 is what? See H2 0.2. 0.2 into what is I2? That also 0.2. Are you following? Okay, that's all. Now you simplify. How to simplify? This is what? This is 0.6 into 0.6. We can write what? 0.36. Correct or not? 0.2 into 0.2. 0.04. Okay, 0.04. Okay. Multiply both the side by 100. What happened? 36 by 4. What's the answer? 36 by 4. We get answer is 9. Okay. So now compare the value. Kc is 48. Qc is 9. Who is greater? Kc value is greater. No. Kc is 48. No. Kc is 48. Qc is what? 9. So Kc is greater than, here, who is greater? Kc is greater, no, Kc is greater. So Kc is greater means what? The reaction will be proceed only in what? Forward direction. Are you following? Understood? Kc is where we have 48. Qc is what? 9. So Kc is greater, no, Kc is greater, then only the reaction proceeds only in forward direction. Are you following?